No makeup, boo. No makeup. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lola Waters, and today I'm going to be foraging for pine and spruce and all things green. I'm making a wreath and I'm really excited. So yeah, let's go on a journey. So these are all the things that I've got. This is my favorite, I think my favorite evergreen. It's so pretty. This one is from a Japanese spruce. Love this. It's like rounded needles. They're so cool and they're rubbery feeling. And then I just got a bunch of stuff like Passia orientalis, right? Passia? Can you see the little pine cones on them? Oh my god! I'm so excited. Okay, what's the name of this one? Swaska diversificalia? Tsuga? I don't know what this is.